Again?
Yeah, Sesame Street style. Well, you can ride in there. You can go ride the big rig.
I know, but you're going to be jumping. I didn't want to get in the way. Especially with the, thrill riding for the first time.
Not even a year.
Harley, he's doing good today. Yeah.
Hey, you help with the flat, I hope when she jumps. You do more work with him on the flat. Hot shot.
She don't need no help.
Yeah, she looks alright, dude. He jumps great. He jumps a hot shot, though.
Oh, he does?
Oh, yeah. He bounces.
Oh, God.
Foam coming out of his mouth. Huh?
Wow, you jumped off, see? You can do it.
I can jump off, but if it's like really hard ground, my feet like stay.
Well, this is not hard today. It's rained here for 3 days.
Only thing to watch out for in this ranger, though, is up in that far corner.